Marhaba again, guys. So we are here at the site already. Now my crane is already standing. See the boom is already reaching the boom of the tower crane. Now we have a problem. Our problem now is they don't have any belt, no sling for the so how can we lift this boom now, all this crane without sling? So they are looking for sling now. The project in charge is looking for the sling, wire sling or chain sling. We have already finished since 2 here, 2 now 5 6 4 days here. What happened to this project? Bye bye.